friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and happy, cute balloons.
Yay!
Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw 4 balloon shapes. Just like big circles or ovals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now add a tiny triangle at the bottom of each balloon. That's where the string goes. Next, draw some wavy lines coming down from each balloon. These are the balloon strings, so fun and floaty. Now the best part, let's give our balloons cute little faces. 2 eyes and a smile for each balloon. Great job, everyone! Our drawing is almost done. Now let's take our marker and make the outlines bold and sharp. That makes the artwork really pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
It's time to color our happy balloons. Let's pick our favorite color pens and start filling them in. Green color.
Wow!
Pink color.
La 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 la.
Blue color. Yellow color.
La da 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 dee.
And don't forget some red color and orange color for extra fun. Wow, look at those bright and cheerful balloons. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.